Welcome to Global Data 365. Today, we are diving into the world of Excel macros, a powerful way to automate repetitive tasks with just a click. Recording a macro is like having Excel to remember and repeat a series of steps for you. First, let's make sure the Developer tab is visible. If you don't see it, right-click the ribbon, select Customize the ribbon, check the box for Developer, and click OK. Now, click on the Developer tab and select Record Macro. A dialog box will appear, asking you to name your macro and assign a shortcut key if you want. Click OK and Excel starts recording. Let's perform some quick actions: deleting extra sheets, applying filters, and cleaning up rows as needed. Done. The macro has now recorded these steps. Now, let's apply it to another file with the same structure. Go to Macros, select your macro, and hit Run. Just like that, magic! Excel instantly applies all the changes to the new file. Thank you for watching. To learn more, visit our website www.globaldata365.com.